beautiful friends, how are you? Today I'll show you how to make a super easy bun that looks so intricate. We'll begin by brushing our hair and making a parting on the side we like. Then we want to gather all our hair into a middle ponytail. Now we want to divide our ponytail into 3 sections. So this is our first section. We want to twist it lightly like I'm showing and bring it through the elastic like I'm showing here. Now we want to repeat these steps on other side of our bun. Then, grabbing the rest of our hair, we want to divide it into 2, grabbing also the ends of the previous loops. We want to bring it through to the first loop and then to the second one. Then you want to grab the remaining hair, cross it and bring it to opposite side and bring it through the loops as well. Then you want to grab our ends, wrap it around your fingers and underneath the bun and pin it in place. Now you want to fan out our sides like I'm showing and pin it in place. To feel it secure all day long, you can use some hairspray if you need. And you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. In my opinion, it looks like a butterfly. What do you think? And guys, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys. See you soon. Mwah. Bye.